So we just checked into the Fairmont Gold at Fairmont Royal York, which is a hotel within a hotel. And we checked on the 18th floor. It's a separate check-in. And this is our room. The gorgeous entryway. Closets, coffee. They provide us with water down the 18th floor. I love the teacups. Beautiful. Sitting area. We have a Bose stereo in the room. And the bedroom. Stunning. The art above the bed is maybe my favorite piece in the room. Check it out. Just the cutest. Thank you to the Fairmont Royal York for the amazing opportunity to make my own gin and tonic. I love this. Excellent gin as well.